Are you planning to relocate abroad for work, study, or a better quality of life? Before you make that move, there are a few important tips every Nigerian should know to ensure a smoother transition and a more successful relocation journey. My name is Becca from TBIL Travels, so grab a notebook now and let's get right into the business of today. First, choose the right country for your goal. Don't choose a destination simply because everyone else is moving there. Choose the destination that aligns with your goals. Second, understand the cost of living. Many people focus on visa and travel expenses, but overlook everyday costs like accommodation, transportation, healthcare, and utilities. Researching these costs beforehand will help you prepare financially and settle in comfortably. Third, prepare your documents early. Your relocation process becomes much easier when your documents are ready. Ensure your passport, your academic record, financial documents, and every other required paperwork are ready and up to date before you begin your journey. Fourth, have a settlement plan. Know where you will stay, how you will get around, and what your first few weeks will look like before you arrive. A solid plan reduces stress and helps you adapting faster. Lastly, book your flight early. Once your travel dates are confirmed, book your flights. Don't wait until last minute to book your flights. Early bookings often give you access to cheaper fares and more flexible travel options. At TBIL Travels, we help travelers secure affordable local and international flights through tbils.com, making travel planning simple and convenient. In conclusion, relocating abroad is an exciting step, but preparation is key. Plan ahead, stay informed, and make smart travel decisions. To book affordable local and international flights, visit tbils.com. And if you find this video helpful, kindly like, share, subscribe so you don't get to miss any of our videos. My name is Becca. See you in the next video. Bye!